Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program for voters age validation using exception. So given the age as input to your Python program, so you have to write a Python program to validate the voter's age, and you have to use an exception. So you have to modify or try to write a custom user exception over here in order to uh, write this or solve this Python program. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me define a function and override the custom that is a exception value error and try to use it. So let me define a function that is validate underscore age. So this is my function, and let us try to pass the input argument that is age to this particular function, or let's try to write validate and yeah. So this is my input argument. So now what we do is we try to check if the age is, that is age is less than 18, so then we raise a exception. So if age, so this is a variable of type integer, and if it is less than 18, so what we do is we try to raise a custom exception. So let's use a raise keyword and try to override the value error. So inside this particular argument, so let's give some error message or negative message. Let's say you are not eligible to vote. So this is my custom message that we are trying to provide, and we are trying to override the value error. So if the age is less than 18, so you are not eligible to vote. So if it age is 18, so you are eligible to vote, and you can register for the voting in many countries. Yeah, so now what we do is we try to use a try block and ask a user to enter his age and try to call this function. So let's say try, and let's take a variable that is another variable number. So this is a temporary variable that we are taking. So let's use an input function called to ask a user to enter age. Yeah, so once the user enters his age, so it will be of string type. So let us convert it into from string type to an integer type using the type conversion. So once we are done getting the type, that is the age, from the user, so let us try to validate it. So let's call the function that is validate, that is this function we are trying to call, and we need to pass the age over here. So let's give number. Yeah, so once we are done, so if the age is less than 18, so it will raise a exception. So before that, if it doesn't raise the exception, so let us try to print a successful message. So let's say you are eligible to vote. So this for the successful message or successful scenario if age is equals to or more than 18. So for the negative scenario, so let's accept the value error as message. This is the message. Yeah, so let us try to print the message, that is this. So this will return the message. So let's try to print directly the MSG. Yeah, so this is a Python program to validate the voter's age using the exception. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program. So enter the age. So let's give something like 12. So you can see you are not eligible to vote. Running it again. So let's give something like 17. So you can see you are not eligible to vote. So let's give 18 and see. So you are eligible to vote. Running it again. So let's give something like 19. So you can see you are eligible to vote. Let's give something like 60. Yeah, so you are eligible to vote. Yeah, so this is a Python program for voter validation using the exception. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.